This is Dolgellau, the former county town of Meirionnydd, which stands on the Afon Union in the shadow of Ganwyd. There's been a church here since the 12th century, which was rebuilt in 1716. When Thomas Pennant visited the town for his 1781 book, A Journey to Snowdon, he noted that the town was small and its streets disposed in a most irregular manner, but that the situation is in a beautiful vale, fertile and well wooded. He added that the town had nothing remarkable apart from the church, which he said is a good building. Some say the town is named after a meadow with a grove of trees. Others that it means the meadow of the cells, referring to the cells of the monks at the nearby Cymraeg Abbey, a former Cistercian monastery closed down by Henry VIII. In the 17th and 18th centuries, the woolen industry dominated the town. The tanning of leather was also important. The irregular streets that Pennant described, along with the distinctive houses, many of them built with huge, rough, grey stones, make for a very attractive and characterful town. The centre is now a conservation area. My great-grandmother, Jane Roberts, was born here in 1839. Every year in July, the town hosts the enfawr, a brilliant festival of Welsh and folk music, as well as dance, literature, children's activities and comedy.